Most people get this wrong when comparing offshore jurisdictions. They assume there is one best country for everyone. So they pick randomly based on popularity, and then they run into banking issues, compliance problems, or unexpected restrictions. Here's the truth no one tells you. Offshore jurisdictions are not competitors in the traditional sense. The British Virgin Islands, Cayman Islands, Bahamas and Panama all serve completely different business purposes. In this video you will learn the real differences between BVI, Cayman, Bahamas, and Panama in 2026. We will break down setup ease, banking strength, compliance level, and ideal use cases. And in a minute, I'll show you the one jurisdiction beginners always choose incorrectly and regret later. Let's start with the British Virgin Islands. The British Virgin Islands, officially the jurisdiction of British Virgin Islands, is one of the most popular places for company formation. It is fast, flexible, and widely used for holding companies. But here's the problem. Banking for BVI companies is not always easy locally, so many businesses must open accounts elsewhere. Now, let's move to the Cayman Islands. The Cayman Islands, officially, the jurisdiction of Cayman Islands, is known for high-end financial credibility. It is widely used by investment funds and serious corporate structures. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cayman offers strong global reputation, but it comes with strict compliance and higher setup expectations. Next is the Bahamas. The Bahamas, officially the jurisdiction of Bahamas, is often seen as a balanced offshore option. It offers flexibility for international businesses and is more approachable for entrepreneurs. However, banking still requires strong documentation and clear business activity, so it is not a shortcut system. Finally, Panama. Panama, officially the jurisdiction of Panama, is one of the oldest offshore hubs. It is known for company formation flexibility and relatively simple incorporation processes. But here's the catch. International banking and compliance scrutiny have increased over the years, so structure matters more than ever. Now let's compare them clearly. BVI is best for fast company formation and holding structures. Cayman is best for institutional-grade credibility. Bahamas is best for balanced offshore setups. Panama is best for flexible incorporation with evolving compliance requirements. But here's where most people fail. They choose based on cost or speed, instead of long-term usability. For example, Alex might pick BVI for speed, but later struggle with banking. Meanwhile, a Cayman structure might take longer but open stronger financial doors. So the real question is not which jurisdiction is best. It is which one matches your business model, banking needs, and compliance capacity. To summarize, BVI is flexible. Cayman is premium, Bahamas is balanced, and Panama is legacy-friendly, but compliance-sensitive. The wrong choice can slow down your entire business setup. If you want more clear offshore comparisons like this, comment and subscribe, so you do not miss the next breakdown.